Hey, we've been talking about using the daily agenda and the weekly schedule. So sorry, I had to tap my mouse, but it worked. I have all of those things bookmarked in one folder, neatly, easy to get to. The big advantage, if I right click on my folder, open all 5, boop, everything is open at once. That makes my life a lot easier. Now for you, one way to do this, you can just grab and go. But, and that's one way to do that, right? The rule of Zoom meeting, put it there. Boop. There you go. We have it. The daily agenda. Boop. And we have it. The problem with that is, as you can see, I'm taking my whole bar with that. So what I will do, I will go in the empty space here, right? Right click, add folder. And I will call it daily uses. Whatever. Just need a name. Save. Okay. So I can take my rule of a Zoom meeting, put it in there. Can take my daily agenda, put it in there. My website, in there. And you look, it's all there. Yes. My Zoom meeting list, in there. My weekly schedule, put it in there. Now, you want to be sure that you're logged in your Google account first, right? Because that way, if I go on this, or if I go on my other computer, or if I go on my tablet, and I use Chrome, and I sync all my Chromes, then my bookmark will follow me. So no matter what device I work on, I have it, right? And that's all there is to it, how to make bookmarks. Let me delete that so I don't wonder what that is in a week. I hope that helps. Ask if you have questions. Ta-da!